Now my chip is ready. I've moved it to the team plan, my team has checked it, and we're ready to go public with it. I've got my chip here, and what I really want to do is I want to customize it and make it fit our brand a bit more. Then you move down to style. As you can see, in here you have a logo, color, and theme options. First of all, let's start with theme. So the first one that you see is iMessage. What does this mean? This means that I can use my brand colors for my chat, especially if you're embedding it on your site or you have consistent branding that you want to use. The other theme option that we have is Classic Chipp, which is more streamlined. It's just text, has the logos, and it doesn't have the speech bubbles in the way that it does in the iMessage option. I want to use a logo here, so I'll use the Chipp logo, I'll put it here, I'll upload it, and as you can see, here it is. Now we have the logo and we can pick the right color here to make sure it matches our brand perfectly, and as you can see, now it's there. We have the logo, we have the right colors, we have the right experience that is consistent with our brand. Again, you can play with these, you can keep changing the logo, you can change the color, and it will update automatically. Now we have our style, we have our branding on this chip, and I really want to make sure that every single person using it has an easy way to find our website. So that's where the CTA comes in. So I've added the same logo because I wanted to stay consistent, and then we add a button text. So this is whatever the CTA button will say. I will also add my URL, which is Chipp AI. And one of the last things that we need to do here is to decide whether or not we want to display the CTA or not. So let's click it on, refresh the page. And as you can see, now we have this button here that leads directly to our website from the chip itself.